Nowadays, YouTube changes a lot, and it was actually part of the plan. When the YouTuber starts to make something strange and making the platform unsafe, then YouTube have to change the way they usually follow or check them out. As lots of YouTube channel just taken down by the big daddy, and today we'll talk exactly why your channel been taken down and how you can make your channel safe and sound and get it back. So before we start, if you're new, make sure you stay with the channel for more of the interesting videos. Most of the short channel has been taken down due to a misuse of short videos, as YouTube introduced the shorts over the biggest sharing platform of YouTube. Most of the short uploading channel abuse the process for uploading a mess. I mean the huge amount of same shorts they are producing, and they're continuously uploading with a short period of time. So in the short period of time they're getting a huge amount of reach, but at the certain time or a certain point they are going to be flagged, and this is the result why YouTube are taking down those channels, those short videos channels. Those are continuously uploading shits. I mean, why you actually need to upload the same video and at the same time, I mean continuously consecutive time, like this is actually the repetitive content, so YouTube will take the proper step against you. And this is break the YPP policy, and also this makes the short section a mess, and this type of repetitive content will cost your channel, and as a result YouTube may take down channel at any time. Then you may lose your channel forever. But if you just don't abuse the platform and make it more viable and safe place for the user, then you will be safe and can be able to avoid suspension. But most of the time the repetitive channel violation will terminate the channel, and result you may lost it anytime. Basically, Google will not return your channel unless you contact with them or ask for the help. For that, you have to go to Google Help Center and need to seek exact help in order to contact with Google. As if you search for unable to access a Google product, then you will have to find the proper form of submit to rescue your channel. This is a bit tricky, but remember that don't put any false information in order to achieve the channel. Google may later suspend it for good. And yeah, that's all from today, guys. I hope you all love it, and you guys will stop the spam of uploading continuously short videos for a short period of time to make it viral. And make sure you stay with the channel for more. See you all soon. Till then, have fun, good luck, and peace.